What's cracking, game developer gangsters? And in this video I want to talk about one comment that is left on my previous video, which got me thinking a lot about the state of game development online and the mindset of game developers today. When I say game developers today, I mostly mean beginners and people who are trying to learn. So let's take a look at the comment, which is, as I said on my previous video, which is this one over here, game development is not a hobby. And the dude said, sadly, he went from making tutorials to get some clients for his courses and games to make random reaction chat videos because game developers not watching his tutorials, instead watching inspirational videos to get inspired and start working, but looks like no get inspired and game developers keep wasting their time. Now, I had to read this comment 2 or 3 times and I had to ask my friend what he actually meant because I thought he was attacking me for some reason. But what he actually means is that I am creating more these commentary videos like the one you see over here, game development is not a hobby, and this one over here, then I'm actually creating tutorials because sadly, as he said, game developers want to get inspired, but they don't get inspired and they just keep wasting their time. That's why I say like today's is the delusional state of game developers, because let's take a look at the facts. Over here, I'm going into my video analytics for my video. So this is an 8-hour long tutorial that I've created that took me about 2 weeks. It took me time to schedule this video, time to negotiate using these assets from this video because they are not mine, they're from third parties and so on and so forth. And it's an 8-hour long tutorial. As you can see over here, the average view duration is 2 minutes and 57 seconds. 2 minutes and 57 seconds for an 8-hour long tutorial. Let's take a look at another tutorial that has 2 hours and 10 minutes or 9 minutes. It has 1 minute and 45 average view duration, so 1 minute 45 seconds. Another tutorial that has 2 hours and 16 minutes. It has 3 minutes and 17 seconds. And over here you have another tutorial, 2 minutes 53 seconds. That tutorial has 1 hour and 53 minutes, actually, excuse me, 15 minutes. Whereas, so another tutorial over here, 2 minutes and 29 seconds. Whereas I have my, so to say, stupid videos that I created just for fun, for whatever reason, like the one where I'm reacting to the day in the life of a game developer. It has 6 minutes and 21 second average view duration, and it's a 24 minute video. So basically, this is the state of game developers. I created this video for fun and people are reacting to it in different ways. It doesn't matter. But the point is, it is doing better than all the quality stuff that you see over here, like the 8-hour long tutorial and so on and so forth. And people charge money in a lot of cases to give you access to tutorials like this. Which brings me to the question, are you actually trying to be a game developer? Now, I'm not referring like to you watching the video. I'm referring to every single person who wants to learn or actually learn game development and try to make that as a career, try to make or earn money from that, try to get a job and so on and so forth. Ask yourself, do you actually want to learn game development, or you just want to go out and watch funny videos? And look, okay, I also watched a few Danny videos and they are totally fine, they're funny and so on and so forth, but that will not get you to the game development point. Now, before anybody says I'm jealous, I'm hating on that, no. As I said, I watch the videos and he has his own strategies doing things, but you will never become a game developer watching Danny or watching similar videos because they will not teach you anything. And on top of that, in some Facebook groups, I see like, recommend me some tutorials for Unity, and people recommend Danny. Like, what can you learn from those tutorials? Nothing. They're entertaining videos. They're really good. They're really good and funny, but you cannot learn anything. This is what I mean when I say people are delusional. So a lot of people nowadays, they will rather watch me rant for 20 minutes, you know, say random stuff that maybe I mean, maybe I don't mean, maybe I'm being funny, maybe I'm not being funny or stupid or whatever, rather than actually spending those 20 minutes watching one of my tutorials or from any other YouTuber that creates tutorials, watching actual tutorials where you get actual knowledge that took years and years to learn and master and craft, but you get it in 20 minutes. If you go to college, that same knowledge, in most cases, you will never get. And if you get even something similar to that, it will take you years to get to it because college is very slow. You learn variables for half a year, basically, this is something I teach in a 20-minute tutorial, and now you see the correlation. So a question that I want you to ask yourself is, are you actually trying to be a game developer, or you're just wasting time? You know, just bragging to your friends that you're a game developer by following tutorials, or better yet, watching funny game dev clips will not make you a game developer ever. You're just wasting your time, as the dude from the comments said. So this is one thing that I saw is really present today with a lot of people. And I presented you the analytics for that. So it's not like I'm talking on top of my head. Here is the analytics. You see that with your own eyes. When I create a high quality tutorial, it gets a minute of watch time. When I create some stupid random stuff, it gets 6 minutes, 7 minutes of watch time, which is really sad in a lot of cases. But anyways, I don't want to get more into it. This is just some, food for the brain. Think about it. Do you actually want to be a game developer? So the main point over here is, if you just want to watch game development videos, devlogs for entertainment, or actually check out the games that I'm creating, some other YouTuber who is creating devlogs, like, I don't know, Jonas Tyler, butchered his name, but you know Jonas, or Blackthorn Prawn, whoever, they create devlogs. Maybe you want to buy their games and you watch them. That is totally fine. But don't kid yourself that you actually want to become a game developer and waste time. The main point here is, focus on something else. Focus your time on something else that will actually benefit you. Don't waste time. Don't spend money on game development courses and so on and so forth. That's the main point of this video. But yeah, anyways, what else can I say? Are you a delusional game developer or not? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure that you hit the like button, and I will see you guys in the next video.